Kansa, Deputy PR, Minister of Education, and a special assistant to the Ghana Education Service Director General, Dr. Kansa. Yaw, Oboku Mensa me watching.
Mejusu Bru, Omanhene.
I want to say.
Yamiadom, Mejidis also.
No, Prime my bedroom for Transiana, ya drinking. Addition ho titru basic na ekoba say private schools titru afiwe omo bie school atum kra e9 last year sa na course na school fees na awofo no esu amene wo mo eya kame say 2 years ni afibia ye to school fees 4 menim sa ban no ye ntoto ye say opese revert ye to the old system curriculum academic calendar no but them say be move visa buy no so am na ni anko the cost involved and pay di asem na moka
yo mamencha Ghana for nyina ni titro mo magipin ye 81 pay na me ma watching wono wa bedwafo enyina ensoso na menchia menuano ma chechefo nyina Omanhene Yaw wo say ya academic calendar no enye e9 se said o canon miensa na de na inim ni se kaneno nanka e ko school ni from September nanka endi wo June fofia antoata na ya de ebesen wie moma ya academic calendar no affected nti de ko ba ni se na afedi school no sha se free January na endi December. Enti na yeko yanima my penini adaroma edi yanima yetime kon yade no na ewo se se de osika no ye bomodin ye keka ye ho se ne be benya ye normal calendar na nanka yenim no enti eno na ekoba se afiwe calendar no mpanyefo ebo
93.1
ema said ye nanka yenim dada no ye benya ye academic calendar no ba e basic schools no. And you know, the new academic calendar no ended September. Now the old one ended September. Now new one is also I shall see every September. It's new one I shall say from September. Ako ended ye June dada na ye nimno. And ye one academic calendar ye nkumu e9. Yekomu miensa to say
na so last year yekomu 9 last year yekomu 9 afiwe ni yekomu miensa na mboa
there be last year yankomu 9 yekomu miensa because it started from January to December and
eti afibe na oboku mensa afibe na old system no and old academic calendar na year reverted to ya fiwe ya na last year
this year
this year oboku sika no ye tiabio
what you say
school fees no ye tiabio ye tiri hugu
oh say o my no nyina nim say abaya share school say at the basic level ye tua school fees bia
o tie me eno na ma awofo no say adentina money private schools sunanka because private school be honoma this very term they are not charging tuition but acquire say a individual decision anka e be a benefit trans ya commitment na holistic say because of pressure near adenintino is the pressure on our fomentabia next term yes short period we know Mamo nyi tuition or mamo nyi bibi. But antisa oboku.
Brian, Ghana Education Service and Ministry of Education international take in electoral decision. Decision be a baby be a consent a be free or mouth for waba na empenny for atenasi a year 2 year. Me said during the calendar drawing and Ghana Education Service in Kwane Tenasi. It included all stakeholders, within the education field, including teacher associations, and Woma Ekahonina and Etanasi yes calendar way. And the concern kisia me nima eba ne say ye di bronya wie and ye ko school ye tua school fees. Ja for no beka so se said ye okay. So private school we di bronya wie ne sika nyina sana o say kwa ko tua school fees na den na ye fa ko ye calendar dada. And the concerns are eba and mpanyifo say they see editor man for him say ya be ahoboa ni anhyehyɛ sɛ ne be nye normal calendar ne back no ɛno na yɛtumi achieve ya this new academic year na yɛbɛsim no yɛbɛhyɛ ase free September dada na yɛnim no enti concerns a ɛbaa nyinaa kwa yɛbɛfa so aboaboa ho ne adjusting nyinaa was factored into the drawing of the academic calendar ya yɛka ho asɛm. So
the new academic calendar takes effect this September.
The new academic calendar
and ends in June next year.
On the month of September, not just year first term in September.
And you ever come to send ye makwino na yakodi bronya bane asabe to aso amakwino.
Okay. New academic calendar. Next academic.
So be my coin December no more. Now or Saturday fees January no dear ba na more number 2.
Say na make us at the government schools a woman mobia no mobia no my tuition fees. Enti menim school bia amount.
No, but the private schools. Se koba say Oboku. Oboku, the private schools, they are regulated also by the Ministry of Education and Ghana Education Service. There is certain supervision there. And the fact that mainline schools need to have fees, no, does not mean say I was here a year and free almost so. Meaning said there's a regulation. At a point in time, idea tiabo frebi, and idea be inimical to education. The Ministry of Education can say, and ya buying school to obey in any.
Oh, yeah, I am part to say the Okano, or more regulated by the Ministry of Education, specifically under National Schools and Inspectorate Authority. And it is said what kind of concerns about figures, the agency responsible, may you almost say this is the concern which is coming. Na omonhwe
ade wa kan no ne agreke do
na enye hyehyɛ sɛ ne be ya ebeboa afane nyina
beda ase anopai de odi atwa to e de abotoye maba moma mpadifo asonte na omuntu ho na moma e why
yo
beda ase didi ya opoku mensa deputy PR Minister of Education and special aid to Dr. Nkansa, the Director General Ghana Education Service. Ni post nye keto akra. 5G no abobo ginseng fountain kama na grapefruit no any grapes ni guarana ni green tea no a relax your body ni kama na unya mixoa mango no kama na unya bread bi ana say unya pie bi ana spring roll bi boss ana just say you're good to go for your lunch, you know. And yes na ya dey di bibi sa unya bibi say ya and why you how to say
yanko pad mo
asebu bibi ada din
oh the din
alo pay ba uchepe unompe kaja so me yanko
yo o my we dey yanko po onka ho pa ene anopa ya yatena CD na ye de enchia mu oden a yaresa wom every Bible center e de ma ya hwefo ne atiefo so obo ade ya adum se ne yetena se a asem a ya na make meka ne say transienchi move machine no enyi TV ni mfiro tie wapomden ho asem ba bia yare na etete wo no beko no anyi ohoto fi sempanimfo say kum yare ansa na yare akun se wankun yare na ma yare akun a eye wawa asem na ba bia obetimi akun yare eye ba herbal center a ye wo Kumase atonsu ago enti anopai se obetimi akun yare wo so a na je se woje ye number yi na fe wodi wani kire ba herbal center ye wo Kumase atonsu agogo me pacho ye number no 0244 988 004 0244 988 004 ana ba ko aka wo ye 0244 08 34 82 0244 08 34 82 me pacho number di ekuta doctor sesi ya me ka say watena se a wotie wo call no etime so frɛ no na jare bia ha wo de etete wo abrabom no o ka kire na obekire mu na o di America ababa herbal center me pacho ba herbal center ye ka say o hwe ne ye wo Kumase atonsu agogo Government Hospital kese na si on nachi ana ba herbal center ye wa a ye di adwuma afa wudu ani kire enkrampatam a ye wa Lashibikom 16 anasa Spinters Road 18 junction ubehu Dr. Ba aso ye ho ama won so wa beje ayarehwe anopa ya me ne wo kasai de mi busa wo ne se udompe ena o kase ne ehon te sei efi se Bible center wote ye nkase e dompe ene nkase ehon enti se anopa se udompe no kase no eye obibibi ehon ye wuchire emu tutu emu ye oya emu hwe wo dendenden a mesrew foni che Bible center a ye wo Kumase atonsu ago e de be na me kasa obi wo ha na spinal cord na chikase ne ne ya da bia ya ne ye ka kire mu se achikase yare ne e wo no ma bebre de ba me kasa obi wo ha wo 3-in-1 akonwa bi da bia no wadam no akye ne kon no wadam ma me papa sa wo ye sa bia mu a kasa ne de yare bebam ama afi wanya ohaw ne amane enti sa ota de da akonwa bi mu cheche wo ho a mesrew jai nafa tawon pasukom na nkode da sa akonwa nu enkofa yare ensa ma wachi kasa ne ho afi obi wo ha entenase wo tena akonwa mu a ube so wagege asipu ekona nim sei se de my TV eno nso ema yare eba wo kasem ema kase no eho etechema etimesrew so wanya sa yare bi eye spinal cord achi yare no ewo nipadua mu a mesrew enka achi Dr. Baye doctor watena se wachi kase wachi bramo na eye ya spinal cord na arere no a yare aba mu ntimi na woda kete so a wo sori ana honam no wachi kase ni tutu wo no ubepie wa obehwew na de ma doctor dan so ne se wode haban na dijuma wo wie so no akire okwan a obefa so a wonya sa yare ni nyina bi Dr. Bano no etimesrew se wuti pens bi wo achi kase no wachi bramu mu a ena so emane mebubu ntofom Braba Herbal Center ye de haban ena dijuma ye behwew ama ho ato no wafiri mu afi afa obi wo a eye sisi yare ena ha no eno nso ye ntrase na bia Mrs. Watnase ana wa ye no ma bia ma sesi wanya haw ewo sisi mu a Dr. Banse bra na no nso na haban na odidi dwuma no onfa hwew na fa sisi yare na atena wo so no sisi na wo sori en sori no Watnase ana ye oya wo sori ana ye oya ugina wa ana ye oya no bra no onfa haban to so na impos Watnase ama sisi na chia akohwe ba bia Dr. Banse enkachi enam se nyankopon de haban adum no se on fendi djuma ewo Kumase atonsu agono ode haban ni betu sisie na achia no sisie na mu twi ono sisie na ye oya no ni nyina so ama ho emire tia bi ubehu se usisi na nanka adane asem ama wo no achia ko ba bia wuntimi na ntekura no na doctor amo atimi asore anante ama sisi yare ni nyina afiri wo so etimi selfo ani kire ho na kwaji ayaresa kan abibiduru ayaresa kona kwaji bi afa ye kasafa obi ani kotodwe ya ne ya kotodwomu yare de mitise na meka na mani age efise se kotodwomu yare eba wo so na se wanhia ba Herbal Center eye Dr. Ba ene ubechina che na ubetu sika ne bebre nsu ato agu efise nanse nkofo bebre ba doctor ho a ana doctor machinchina bre ana matu sika bebre agu doctor se enetie no men kotu sika ne ngu biem enti no obo ndin se wo ye ba Herbal Center a yesa yare me se okotodwe na tutu ho no ukotodwe na keka no ukotodwe na wodi aka abrosa so wuntimi si fom ukotodwe na obi ji wasase a wa fom ntimi nkono ma me ena no pai fo ni che ba heba center kotodwe na mu ye oya etutu emu hwi wo no obeduru ba heba center no kwasem na make cha say ye dia haban na beto so ama wo emire tie bi nansan chi ubo se kotodwe na nanka wuntimi fancy form no kotodwe na nanka wukuta pomatenten na enso nante akura wuntimi nanten Dr. Babaje opoma na to na fu amadu nipadua no nan na nante ama ho ato enti se wo haw e wo kotodwe mu amesrew bra ba heba center na bra na beje ayaresa bra ne amfa haban ne ntoso ma na fe yare na wo kotodwe mu nyina no emfiri onko mesrew number ye mi boaboy ekuta doctor na fresesi na fe dietiti wo bia no saka kire no na fe o ma wo mra
okay
number no 0244
0244
988
004
ana ye wo ba ko 0244 08 34 82 da bia ya na ye kasafa o mo anya arthritis na ye bi asasaboro no obu o soro ye na no pa wiemu aye nwunu bibia anya no enso ni nipadua no pagya ne nsem pagya oto ne nan ye nto ni nyina no se nipadua mu tutu eye wo ya ni nyina no Dr. Bansebra ne fa haban tu sa ade ni nyina ase ma ye wi a ne ye ba enipa bebre enkrofo bebre wo yare bi e frɛ no asma yare ya ade a ye ka ne twim entehye wa epa wo so a enya de ketwa so wura nipa mu kura na dom mu na se heat bi ba ho abehu sa yare na ka ne ho Mr. Dr. Badia aba bi aba odi tu sa yare na se brane no ma na afi yare ne be di wura hwinum no wanum no ede ni wono ubewu afrati asefo asasi so doctor wo ho so de aba tu sa yare na se enti asma bi a etete wo no bra na Dr. Ba ehwe wo na honto afi mema ni bebre ayemre na habaya doctor akoka abom doctor se ubema na theater fom se etim untimi mu adwuma ahomache ntimi nsore bema na wuse ekodwo kura to a Dr. Bansebra na ye bema na sa obema ni ntimi mu adwuma ubedu a obehwe no hu adekora na ema ne basa wode aduro ne mawa bema ne begina so anopatu anwumere ubetimi dia badwuma bi a wope bia no a emfansunsan so bia mra wo fi se eya haban eya bibiduro kan a obo ade na aka ne twuronim ana Dr. Bande ye afa obi wo ho a wanya kompo ye kasafa kompo ho enipa bebre wo kompo ehye wo minimu de ye ka chonse maami ye wanya kompo de ye bayinam no akɔwe maami enim de na ne enim eye yare ana abehye nipadua no wo minim ama na dane kompo doctor so wonyi operation sembia ho ubeduru wa wode ahaban na bi na aye aduro wode gu kokomu ama wodidi wi a kompo na ehye wo minimu no ni nyina betwetwen ama ho ato enti se ye kompo na edi unya mesraw furniture ba center ayi wo kumase atonso ago ye betu kompo na se ama na afi ho ato afi obi wo ho a eye diabetes ene ulcer ane ha no me so ma me wo diabetes na wo ditifie no a wo de waka se ye abusuamu yare e besa twenkasa mu yare de abrew doctor Sebra na diabetes ni yentu ase ma afi ye wo nipa bebre ho a okodase wada ene koyie no obesori adwonso ontimi na eno ye adwonso tentem odwonso anu odwonso Dr. Bansebra no ntu sa ade ni nyina ase ma ani wo bi won so okogina won so odwonso a 30 minutes 3 hours kra na dwonso ba kokora mai eno so doctor se wo dwonso mu hawa bra nyentu ase ma infection yare oba bi wo ada ni dan nyina na se nyina egu nsuo sebe mesrew doctor se sa wo hawo no white na etete wo no nsuo na firi wase ba no ama ba ma bi aba ho a na ba ma ne kono Dr. Bansebra no ntu ni nyina ase ma won fa haba ntu ase ma na so ye oba si makama na fe ba ma bi obeba ho no aware emra no ntimi enware na mesrew ye de kasa ni nyina ba wiye emre ni so enti je number no na de ebodin de yanka nyina no woje number na ofre doctor titru edam ni stroke ofre doctor obehwe na afi wafre wa moaba na afi yare bia na nka ha wo abrabum no ye twa so ama na afi ye tu ase enti je number no ye mfa kasa no emra awiye me pa cha number no eye 0244 988 004 0244 988 004 ana ba ko account ye 0244 08 34 82 Opa ba center Kumasi ye Kumasi atonso ago Government Hospital kese na esi on the chi ana Dr. Bawo ana fe would when each retamansoa ye wo kom 16 Lashibi anasa Spinters Road 18 Junction fire na ha onu nyina beda ba center ye de haba no betu ase ama na awia emrane ni sebo eye ba
ya me ka ho
fo ani etiefo nyina ase obo ade nka obi
MC Asebu that's right ya me ka ho
ya me so ka ho
all right
93.1
okay mami kwa ho man so na me ne lawyer Bobby Samuel Chikobo lawyer me wa cha no pay
Yanyam pacho majoso.
now bomb to say
Nyankopon adom me ho ye pa.
okay na my problem so e ko say
Ekoyi papa. Na sia fiade ya na ye wie eta kra. Az se ye san twe ni akaga bi foforo.
eti infa na moba
Du ha be ka chiro.
okay enkomodie no koswa na anano na Dr. Mamuba mi Ghana mampani abeje che enkomodie na okase onu de osre party ni so omunso no mu no mto abama no esan se 2012 ewu ko hia se ye ko court oka court se MPP for epo obi amana gina na mu court no obi e na obi na no be ka se dru ni so etise samre we eba na se obepredwa sa dru mi so no yenyi frim yeni se mo so na mukuta sa slogan ne kese e dey asem na mo ka fa ho
Dasi amencha watiefo anopai. Awurade adom yen na ye toa edwumadie nyina so. Menyi de se omampanya ba de akire oti de si court no ase papa. The farmer your sim. Menyi ni so oti ase go. Sa asem no kura anko nka. Efse na ye na sudie. Na ye na sedie. Se okogina ho no di adanse. Nipa miensa ene de asem akokot
Sompa FM
nipa miensa no ene ye da wo mo se ye ya ye de ewre ahwo mu ye sika ye bibia ahwo mu se omudi ye nim kon ndi sa nipa miensa no se bi odi campaign manager ka ho enai wo mo na ni da so ne show mo wo mo no mu ka se mpu na epu no wo mo na omukase muntu a na edi akire na yewie dwumadie ni edi nkugu a na saa nipa no sabi wanye ekuo no emabinye police station fo bi na te bi no msori se court eye saa nipa 9 no mfa se 9 eye mampanyi anu opere amadi akira won so ka apere ne ho party chairman and a campaign manager omo na wutumi ombekase asemo ye ntiase sase for kra ka yen ye betabri dia court na se wo dia dia court na okugina ni mu a why na ne mfiri baabi ade na wo na wo da no a wo die ni mu a wo ka ho a wo ka se mpu na mepunu no why na mfiri hin emedia dance ma ade na sa ni pa no ebeka a wo no wa wo die ni mu no ni mu a wo ka se wo court no wo ni mu a obi foforo firi baabi na se wo pese obi foforo kra na ebeka ma wa o mfiri di pa no Busam say why no mo friend say o media dance ya odwane ye. Owura vice president Busam pa say Mr Vice President why na wo to nsa friend say media dance ya ma me odwane ye. Na adan na wo no aye wa sede na eye wa sudie say odi dance ya na bi say wo na wo de ade ne court no. Enipa nan no na say enye na nado de be dia dance ya na wo say eye party chairman ana campaign manager ana wo nti bumu nan no se kuti abobi wo mu a ekoma wo mu en se o president ni dwane ye ene wo ndi adanse o party chairman ene dwane ye no ndi adanse o campaign manager ene dwane ye no ndi adanse wo timi nka so obi o party no ono ga se kokot na nye ono so the managing campaign no ono mbejira o ma media adanse abra wo nto sanfre na edu se next apre aba onkope sabrani bia yede bebo wo bi sabrani ne watu asiso enti saade na wo ka no eyemfumso kese pa se eyitu ho ache nyitu ho ache na sede na diswa se je kokko to dia omu nan no mu ba ko ne be na ono ne to no so nti asodie no se obi ba ko gina ho wa ye adwuma na ma ye nyina
na Pacha, would you say sa asodie no so or perform creditably ana
as ye di nkugu nkugu na edi ye no so no sebe ene wo mu di animu fa ho adwen eya lawyer do no omu gina mu no ameka ho bi obi a mo din ne ene a lawyer for no bi a mo din na wo no se lawyer amfa asem anko a o adanse ye better na adanse na baso lawyer na o hihye adwuma ni nyina edi animu kasa ye no ono ye na firi mu so ono no de onko sa na wo a wo kotena yimu adakam mi yeto wa do no ona sebi wahwere bibi tie pa na wahwere on kan say tie pa na wahwere say yen ye de animu onyama hye omu onya amanyo sem da na ye de animu onyama hye omu se obi afa o se brabe ka me ho abusuakuo kese ye yi me brabe ka me ho na bebu nkonta mame botomfa ho die nkonta mame na me nko banim na asemo aba me no ne di ade ne kan na msi kotena ho yemba bai na ya no an o se wahwere bibi ade na wahwere sika animu onyam ade na wahwere ye enya animu onyam kese se okotena ni wo ma ye nyina abra na sudi na sedie nti di empa na wahwere ne de pese wo kire mu di empa na wahwere
okay na ba bia sama
eye campaign a wanya second round oka se ikudum betete de me majemu ama me nua panyi wagene ho sa die no ye no so wahwere ni sika wahwere ne just wo mo de arehyimu ahye ni mu edom so do ala hwere ye wagene ho na se yehye wani monyam no obi se be ya de ma me wo atua mu kapre akotira ho ade na nkoyie me ese be kasa atoto wa no lo ya ono ye hye ni nyina no ono nsu yo wo atoto wa no pe na wo usu se wa hwe de na wa hwe e de pa do wa hwe ti yen hweso eno achi so di vice president e the vice president de wo mbu kra o vice president na onya bibi ye de wo mbu e se ntokwa na akoko no court no na vice president na nka ukodi na se ntokwa na wie na ekire wanya vice president dia wo se sa ntokwa nti sa de na ye nti se the president ene ho ahwa is the president etu ya oka as the vice president na wedi ekura na wedi so ye kuwi mu nipa naipe na aben sa akunya no omom dika nwinu omo anya ara lasa wenya Ronald Lasa wenya oni Professor Boakye koye God rest his soul second person kofo any konkensa aka ono so wenya aka so afiri mu God rest his soul eyali umama onso jamencha de wafiri mu ene nyaaye ali umama ne nyaaye ena wo otoso mienu a na nane ukoya wo so wenya ekukasie ni empanyimfo mu wo mu edomo ma hwere niema asom kuoi omu bia ni ho waja vice president wo abenya bia di ene wo si ya fa president ampe wo so a se wo koye wasede ni wasudie no ya fa president ampe wo so di a yesisiw nipa sen ena benya sa di brewu yakase yesisiw anya sema kemeka so ya du frupe
zani ya waka wie
ogameda se mesinya asemo anka
de no ana waka la ya ba bia sama mami fonsi ya me da ase mami any grace gift to chicken come we are Collins Adomako afija kwabre north mrasebe dwani wo me nchen ha oso ono de ye wo hu Dr. Mahmudu Bawumiamu no eho behia menim sense ma ira bo abia samade atudwai e beje ono so adwenche sanso so na SMLs ba be kan ho na de edi djuma nyina no na ochi Dr. Mahmudu Bawumiamu the 11 days na was antimantem akwa pro eno ntino ye ne ombe twetwe nkomo pi e wo fia ha enso so awa Mohammed okay awa Mohammed ba be kan ho na me fi say so na ba ya mama nyante say awa Mohammed na ba ka ne ho na grace gift for so about no twa me to do pepe mom no twa me to do no ne no ma wie na samre de bie wasum anopa on say doctor Gabi why sharp ajubi kete nso so ni chichi ni tuntum wo yo ma me aye ono nso so ani abre wa ha Gabi you bomb to say baby aboko okay and some free grace gift herba
yes
clinic the home of quality healthcare mami timo
anopa yi na me read ya DB from one known writer your friend LNG White him say what in the din that
G White yeah
LNG White or inspirational writer which almost 50,000 books. Now one of the books ni be a friend counsels on health. Now we a revelation only the revelation asema o kan fa e maya de omo twitwi ba o mo so e na mo dressing. Now chairman me kan kakra bi o say it was the adversary of all good who instigated the invention of the ever-changing fashions. He desires nothing so much as to bring grief and dishonor to God by working the misery and ruin of the human beings. One of the means by which the most effectual accomplishes this is the devices of fashion that weaken the body as well as enfeeble the mind and battling the soul. Women are subject to serious maladies and their sufferings are greatly increased by their manner of dress. Instead of preserving their health for the trying emergencies that are sure to come, they by their wrong habit too often sacrifice not only health but life and leave their children a legacy of woe in a ruined constitution, perverted habits and false ideas of life. One of fashion's wasteful and mischievous devices is the skirt that sweeps the ground. And Adea Akye Abia tintin e platform o say e ade bia e pra mani ye pa where by revelation ti asemo kan o say unclean, uncomfortable, inconvenient and unhelpful. All this and more is true of the trailing skirt. It is extravagant both because of the superfluous material required and because of the needless wear on account of its length. And whatever has seen a woman in a trailing skirt with hands filled with parcels attempt to go up or downstairs, to enter a staircase, to walk through a crowd. As someone all can say, another serious evil is the wearing of the skirt a platform. Also a platform, a plant death. A good 90. Now skin no I don't talk ya demo chairman e komo jenim intimate na se so kasa asem because e plus a field no egu na on e raskin e dey make kopie omujam it is skirt dey enwa but chairman enya dey be
and so the baby aba platform
and o my
you know ma said that e krem as skirt no osom na oma boduku
and o
ma bia anu trend pa
it wey there by revelation no ma advice nke be ya nke ma no enya se eya e waye but man platform na mprafi nya den
na mfa yare
nya den okay another thing and o ka se e ma no se nka betwetwe mu office a fashion bebrebe ho a nka eye pa nka mfa yare nya den
food for thought.
One thing so a etwase ehwe ni yie say moja ne die frusa na ewe mu no e baskin num so skin also is being nourished by the same blood.
Yeah.
It is a meshata di bi na Saturday ni emiamia. Me who say emia vessels na carry blood for nourishment no.
It's what
too tight. Because most of the time it mean this kind of blood circulation. There was a time we read one writer di. No so kasa ever a mad dress ya a tight woman. Or say the train of evils the every woman. Because a blue it means circulate blood circulation is so slow to the extent that almost circulation into me a move time it say move no e be slow and some of the
man who are just pumpy or shall just any patri we crown her no train so say I used to so among snow
but you be say who say dachi na wa ba abere one our system na go go we assure say body ni benya several your friends saying vital force to resist against disease. That's the question first of all you are supposed to ask. Sanya man say, oh yeah, a breaking down the constitution of the health of the body.
Okay.
Ade ba kuni. Ana ade bioma atwa se yesa hye no so. Emfa enya ya yi nko a, ya dress nko a. Oba bi wa making wa dress all right. Ni no fusu. But chairman, obehwe no. Na sabi minim se dwaman se den yo. Na emma ba wan ketenketen ebrezia. No afa no de mienu.
A new style.
Wọ́n sẹ́ bu wọ́n itimi kanu funu mienu.
A new style.
Na pipi no phone na ba so. Eya ye bisa ye betima bisa ye say nsunsu so ye betima dia.
They were a little smaller than the, you know.
Than that.
Na ntuba uhu apartment.
Ete ya na mi bisa me ho say sa ubo say nufu no way sa bodies na. Eya ne handle no di say that atwa line den. E wona betri o.
I way o bu a obewie na na chie ne ya pa.
Na e ne ya. Be brave me fail headache, severe headache. Wo mo nim say sa de ne pra wo mu. Ba na sa de na.
Ana di tipaye to go man iti. Onya asoro ben.
Won e de ba. But yeah, one thing you just will be say. Once a line na in sana mia a twa wo abetri ono. What be say? What they are time one line no. E betima I switch free one. What ma hwe? Time line di free o. Because e mia ne sana, mia na mia no se mo gent mi nya den. E ne afrusa ne. Eti e be ma uti, e be oya. And there will be a compression upon some of the nerves are equity, if I will uti. At a bad sana, moja equity insufficient.
Okay.
A bet me the sluggish headache, a subia kesia aba. One say one ya obi, and a clinic a most advice we are. Would even pause, their way. That's one thing. It's what find this solution be as still at the end. Why do you bear say, adding? Now, a better they could create a train of heavy disease bar. Now the providence, no, I could nature. Why do you say, Yankupo now provide this other in the same bra? Also, Papa Mo Bonimo, ya the Miami. But Yankupo is not the originator of Bonnie. Adeba Kunyu. But ya be a bit more, one shall be casting blame upon God. Ebium, yes, I read Obu making the dressing at the airplane in whose sense, or baby to me dressing, Shampabo Jasso. Me kind of say Yankupo catching no was on build ark. No man dimensional a year, dimension fanya. That's what catching no was say on your sanctuary. Moses, on your sanctuary, no ya pomadaka. No man dimension fanya dena. Yankupo body no or the dimension to.
It's a high hill baby, it's me have bano.
Because say ye ben tapiga piga na ya opening near 90 bakosra. E can Yankupo kasa the Porsche on my already. You make a lot of it. The body is symmetrically balanced on a calculated range.
Eba but a man or so be a ajubi what dress ye or he'll be a who just so a man who fe. A honsus as one man the body near say said ni more pijano. A hand a spine, a hand a womb, a hand a
several writers scramble can say Sardian it me affecting the padas in the waist and on the pelvic.
But it is also true, say, or Baby Timika say, Kojina Hill be so when yes, see, I know the
opening. My man interview be practical evidence. Be brother,
Ebo Jina Sokrana or Tiseni West Yenia.
And so be
but life into a just work on opening 1960 for the shares and your money and no be much ya. And no more one watch ya. Be brave and your problem. Opening would him say. Shade Adea Akye Abia hupa on. Se nipa ne sesa high heel no mu a. Eya check. No mo nantu aye bare bare. Ubisa wo mo timi ka kire so mo nantu kura no. Omo Philippines ye den. Ewo. Eti di ade na epe apai sa sabi redie no wo nantu ho apie. Eye energy na body ni kura for future no. E na epe apie o. Ba wo shi ni nyina den egu. Wo ye sure so what 70 years no. Wo betima nya vital force to resist against pressures of disease ana. That's the question we are supposed to ask. Until a grace gift cancer, Debbie. Ye the Oba and Chaya. Counseling, Kasa. Ye the Lina Verde, ever to acquire more. The causes of your problem. Obu one on one Casana question why I come for. And I'm my arena day, Abaneto. Sunday morning, now did you go acquire mana? Na Yadia, at Mania baby I day, Afa. Opening, Medima no sino. Obia more than so behind the Duan Dimi. Oba grace gift in Sua. Miss Lewa Oba, Bisa question. A for a pomodemo. Emiane wudi se na obetumi adi ni nyina to doctor nim na doctor ayede asynthesize am atro se weye ko be fa so aye obi bia ofie me the manuals.
Juby. What's your quine numbers?
That's a pan. I mean, on shroud. Grace Gift Herbal Clinic and Laboratory Services. I swear, Shrimp School Junction. Barrakas, Quas, Kumasi Hanum, no, and I encry Pumpuni Manta Monso. You were new Achimota Petroleum Bungalow. Ye ne Family Life International School, no, and I didn't share any moon. Obi Becca say, Murder number Tana, some mobile. I sabi ahu de ru nentale hye eyi ni nyina aka ho Grace Gift de odruwa
and then somehow kan mo du pa
nyina ho hia nti ye share the root cause of the problem no ni tackle ye hu se ohaw no free ha we na kofa baaye ni akyerew ni aka akyerew se menkɔ ho biem na wo ho atɔ na aboaw enti yesrew bomodin se ubetie de e kan na obedi so na aboa na ma wapomuden na sisi ne ho so na wapomuden sisi ne ho so eno ne ani suade hu ayehwe se Grace Gift Herbal Clinic and Laboratory Services asoye eno nti ene wo ho na otwe bi e betena fidie so yi pacha ofre na woni yentwetwe nkomo na doctor nchiato no wonya ogusu a woto nchia no ena de etete obi anso fa how no ebedan Grace Gift Herbal Clinic and Laboratory Services asoye the ultra modern herbal clinic. Intimisro, your numbers is 0543
0543
32
32
00
00
30
30
0543
0543
32
32
00
00
30
30
and 0244
0244
126
126
123
123
0244
0244
126
126
123
123
Friend now only attrition commodity on TSC
Gabi Ajubi Yamin come home
yes that's Yamin come
So I want in China. I know your day, the gospel according to DMB. And I don't pay if they don't come up. But I know that someone Kasana will suit this. I know that you have a reaction to that. Mami Tio, I don't pay.
Yeah, Minia, I'm watching.
You just so many.
Nah, Mincha, Minia Bema, wow. Is here Chakaka. And of course, the employers. If you just have enough.
That's right.
If you have a catch us, Mamma no effort toward the mammy. Say a brand in Metomo. They move the Coco Mutino FM.
That's right.
Just
that's how I'm in a woman. Now, there's a firm, not a firm, no, after years, here, they know I catch you.
Time was for best out
to the best one.
See, I am a guiding principle. The baby, I'm a Kobia, I'm a Cassam, a Juma, may be, and I say, Kai says, I'm a man, catch them, say. You go put in the friend of your family,
one fan tell.
It's no a guy, de pa. Na Minia Penny Yabuabia Samoa. Me ba parliament and be joining the communication team. At the time, no, director of communications.
That's right.
Until you be a no book, man, papa. He gave me an opportunity. Don't forget, say, now, on deployment. I'm for one baby, I won't go casa. Until I have a great deal of respect for him. The internal politics. He has decided, say, or Yenya Penny, Alankojo Martin. I respect him. I respect his views. I have a principle, say, I don't respond to commenter made by the people from the other side. When I say other side, I will the internal context.
Your opponents.
Me dem eba Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia ho asem and I'm eba beka.
Yeah, but the comment has been made, which probably if you decide not to.
Me person me ne be nya any banter.
No banter, but asemba utimi chire.
No, so say you see where we also say a defupe.
I say enya asema ko beka so defupe.
You see sometimes this was the same Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia who a few years ago he was the poster boy.
Poster boy of MP.
There's no government communicator who was not proud to associate with Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia. What changed? And then as Dr. Mahmoud, I say me what videos of Adea Akye Abia Samoa. Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia who asem.
Ni power yeah.
And the fact say NDC for Srono. What has changed? He's being referred to say Oyedifube. It's not make us say a internal contest. You we abaye kwakutu ya say Ira Lanche Martin be renew. Say Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia be renew. Say Lanche Martin renew. The next day me better ha the focus is on Lanche Martin. Sana Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia's renew. The next day the focus should be on him. Now catch any so you do fruit. No renew. How do you come back to Sompa and argue a case for Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia? Especially now you're party back. You don't have an option. Anything that it would be absolutely wrong. Say my bet now. Mama can't assumetia Ira Alanche Martin. Absolutely wrong. Hey, Papa Penimwa Bonebra, he nearly became the World Trade Organization president. So if I'm campaigning for Alan, I have thousands of positives to speak to and not to dwell on the negative of my opponents. Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia, I'll speak to his positives. I don't remember my vote.
And what are his positives? Let's get there.
Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia, the first time in my entire life as a politician, I'm extremely humble.
Use the adjectival word extremely
humble
to qualify any humility. Why didn't know who?
Hello, honorable Collins name Sympathy. So hold on, Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia wants to speak to you. Hey, Vice President, when been in my
show.
No, you say he's the second gentleman of the land. Collins now what to say. So, Excellency, I'm fine. Do you have time today? I say, yes, sir. Can you meet me at 1 p.m.? Now me call Papa office. The Vice President. No ordinary some atumenim. Said, this is what I want to do. I want to serve in another capacity.
So he called you?
Personally, I need your help. Just it's humbling.
Say, opese obepre ejana ohia omo a. Humbling. Did he do?
Yes.
Did he do same to all?
Speak to most of the members of parliament.
Or no, personally.
Mr. Isaac Osei, campaign wall.
Isaac Osei, former
Subin.
Former flag bearer.
Former
flag bearer aspirant.
I see Vice President person who knows okay me Jariaba.
Isaac Osei tall.
Me see Osi for number of in the hall.
Vice President.
Yes.
Eko Isaac Osei fie.
So humble.
Hey.
Yeah.
I'm just sure say mo vibe here in Tina bia mo.
Jamaican say, "O say Tina me say Dr. Bawumia should not make sure." Okay. Since 2007, 2008, Dr. Bawumia eba into the mainstream political scene. You didn't tell me up to now. Not a single day has he responded. Not a single day has he responded. The level of temperament is unmatched. Mr. Ejuma we no, you need certain characters, certain traits. Not a single day has he responded. Every day. Who the upper so radio, go to social media, anywhere you go. Not a single day our responding. His level, the shock absorbers, is unmatched. A presidency in some of the you need somebody with that kind of character. Okay, with the Metro TV. Metro TV, yeah, arguments. Then I get a text message. Collins, you are doing well.
From
Dr. Mahmoud Baumia.
Okay.
Collins, I'm watching you. You are doing well. Me see a humbling.
Enough.
Just say, he comes down to everybody's level. I'm not talking about the academic AU. I'm just talking about traits. As a leader, political leader.
The human relation.
The human relation.
Persona.
The persona. His character. And you know, pressure woman. Pressure woman. You need somebody with that level of temperament. Temperament. About Ashanti region. Ready there 4 or 5 days. He's not made a single word. About any of the contested. He doesn't have that time. He's focused on his message. He's focused on his message. And so then there are 10 aspirants. 10. Every day, there's one particular person who is singled out. Every day. One particular person.
About me, I say.
Or singled out every day. Insults here, a bonus saying, I can say, Onkasa. He's quiet, he's focused. And I keep telling people, this politics here, seasons and times. Timing is everything. Me, you were in 1983. By 1992, I say party. Let me do 7 years.
You was say
83. I'll be 40 this year.
We are my officers. We are co-chairman officers.
By 1992.
Because I did 50 or something. By
1992, nothing made 9 years.
9 years.
There was no way I would have found
that
member of the party. There was no way.
What do you mean? Yeah, because now that's 9 years. Look on
I
it.
can't be a founding member of the party. Fantastic. Actively, active politics from 2001. But in 2020, if you don't have for Obiama, I could know my name war parliament. No, Oman should me a founding member.
Okay.
They looked at my performance, short time on the moment, what I have been able to deliver.
Okay.
Yes.
So you don't need to be a founding member or
a founding member,
council of state member.
A founding member. Praise the Lord. Yeah, that was it. I mean, sure, you held the party at the time that was needed. No doubt about that. Nobody,
this crucial
nobody can take away say, penny all the other candidates. What's your story? You can't take it away from Anacha Martin. Young Executive Forum, he can hammer it. He has every right to say it. Because it's a fact. He was a member. That's a fact. But I'm saying, sir, that alone is not a guarantee.
And not enough.
It's not a guarantee.
Say.
It's not a guarantee, sir, because someone was not part of the beginning of the journey. That person cannot lead the struggle. It is never so. Side and come me MP da. And come me MP if you that because in my party, say there are people in my constituency who began the struggle. Yes, but I'm leading them in parliament. And in all humility, I think I'm doing my best. It's not necessarily say you have to start from a certain point. Utio Baumia, Wabian some work I say. Wamre 3-term vice presidential candidate.
And Sana Winya not.
Oka Kotasem 2012. Baumia one of the petitioners. If anybody tells you, say your victory in 2016 was not premised on what we did in 2013. Quarter. Obi Kacho say our victory in 2016 was not premised on what happened in court in 2013.
That's a old Chemuchi said 2013 the CEO Supreme Court and a boa moma
and one count and one wire. That person will not be. He's been economical with the truth. You really yet a committee be a normal friend. Election reforms.
Yeah.
Who was the chair?
Chair.
Dr. Mahmoud Baumia.
For 2013 election.
Yes,
reforms.
after.
Move form on the 2014.
Yes. In 2016. Apama yene Ghana for call, which is the manifesto. They call 2016 election, the winning. Who was the chair of that committee?
Who was the chair?
Dr. Mahmoud.
Manifesto.
Yes. Everything we have achieved based on the manifesto, the call, Mahmoud was the chair. Now you go you will coach, you assistant coach, you will players. You say I was the assistant coach, Yapamo.
What's he say?
You will you will coach, you assistant coach, you will players in a field. No, so we ball 11 trade, we ball at 6, agree, we ball 6. Part this whole. Ya bobo, you're saying, Asamaba. We don't blame number 6. We don't blame number 11. We don't blame the coach. We blame the advisor.
Yeah, assistant coach.
You are just not being fair.
Sompa FM.
Yeah, maybe I'm say he's the head of economic management.
Yeah.
What is the economy? Trade, is it part of the economy?
Yeah.
Agri, is it part of the economy?
Yeah.
Finance, part of the economy.
Yeah.
Adentina, the successes of trade is not attributed to the head of the economic management team.
Okay.
Adentina, the success of Agri is not attributed to the head of the team.
So on the director of affairs.
Okay.
It is a trade there. The cancer monkoye na aye.
I'm coming. So trade yeah. It is the panel administration also on trade no. That's a success. Yes, sir.
Now that cannot be.
Okay. Why is it that the successes of trade is attributed to somebody? But the bad issues at finance is attributed to the head of the economic management team.
You're asking serious questions.
Me see, the economic management team, it is made up of trade, part of the economic management team, agri, finance, everything is economy.
Factored in.
Okay. And you're head of the economic management team. And when you go for bear, you say, Osha. Why do you pick and choose the successes of one part, which is part of the whole, to one particular person and not the head? But the ills in one other sector there. Dr. Mahumba. You are just not being fair. Say economy, trade is part of the economy, agri is part, all the other any part there. When there's success,
Let's all enjoy.
Let's all enjoy.
When there's failure,
let's all bear the consequences. You are just not being fair. You are just not being fair. It's not me, Dr. Baumia. Occurrence at the end of the day, he has never on shy away from the negatives of this government.
When you don't free,
Maybe he's part of it. It's a problem bar. He is part of it. Maybe this will be called radio. So, but about inflation cost, I don't blame the person. But while cast inflation cost, you also have to be fair. When cocoa production goes high, you have to be fair. When industry are springing up, you have to be fair. You just have to be fair. But don't pick and choose. Don't pick and choose.
they are picking and choosing.
Oh, say it's a radio. They heard TV, they go social media.
I remember not long ago, Alan stated, say, initiative on cassava.
That was President Kufuor's time.
Yes. This government, he introduces IMF.
I'm saying, you can't take it away from Mr. Chematin. Say, industries are springing up. You can't take it away from him. You can never take it away from him. Wayebi. You can't take it away from him. He was a minister of trade.
Okay.
It is a car factory, assembling plant. You can never take it away from him. He can say
so he was industrious in that sphere.
It is one of his successes. There's no doubt about it.
Okay.
But what Awoka said is part of it, no, and the successes, no. Who is the head of the team? I'll manage all these processes.
That's the
point I'm making. So let's all collectively accept,
enjoy and take the backlash.
Yes, but it's unfair. It's a problem, yeah, but in a certain part of the economy, you know. And then we should blame one particular person.
Okay, I get your line.
It's unfair. It's totally unfair.
But it's a statement, sir. He spoke too much. Probably he jumped the gun on the issue of dollar, on the issue of exchange rates. Will expose you if your parameters and your figures and well. Sunday morning, you know, and they know it looks as if say atitia pansam.
Okay.
How do you address that?
At the time, Dr. Baumia cancer and Semunia, a video. Let's show the dignitaries who were clapping.
Maybe they at that time they had belief in him.
So now they don't have belief in him. Now they don't believe him. They don't trust him.
He has a magic wand. And this time around, people say, oh, yeah, you need the bamfa.
They be me never be the COVID on some wow. When I hear, the economy now, your finance committee, then the meeting, they gave us the cards. I say, members, Arabia by a friend of COVID. There were two major effects.
Sompa FM.
There's a financial aspect of it, and there's a health. Financial, they say, Ghana henina a tax revenue. Baby a GGSika nina 2 pounds contribute 94%. Kumasi Accra. Yare na aban. It's not the airport, no. Ewa Accra, no. Now yare no so fit outside neighbor. The rate at which air spread the Accra, it is increasing at a speed. Bia, someone share ya in the pabu. Choose one. Forgo your revenues or die. So your president, have a loneliness.
Yeah.
Experts need be doing community in actually we are no be akofie. Mr. President,
obey the HD.
whilst the financial people are telling president, the president, so now shut Accra, now shut Kumasi, now to port, now close to all
Borders.
the tourism project. Revenue now also Ubenya Abia 120 billion, Ubenya 80 pe. So, Mr. President, this is the scenario. This is the economic effect. Of you are not health for another. Mr. President, so no one to Accra and Kumasi. No one close borders. No one ship, baby, and yes, can you one close here?
You.
What's na Accra? Nipepe ultimate. Na President called them. Kobom pioneer, they say. Save lives. You deal with the economy later. Inti President by fellow Ghanaians. Minim say economy no was shut down. This is what the economics are telling me.
And this is what the health.
This is what the health people are telling me. I have taken a decision. The decision, they say, I am prepared to save lives. Shut down the economy. Nyaminti will bounce back. So if anybody turn around on the basis of this decision which was taken in cabinet, knowing the implications of this decision, and you turn around to blame one person, you are just not being fair. You are not being fair.
Okay.
You are just not being fair. This is the effect of your decision. So, okay, say, and you know the funny thing, your economy is also 70% informal. Thank you. Mr. President. Oh, shut it down, Kumasi Akre. So once your revenue is dropping, your expenditure is going high. Mr. President, are you prepared for this economic issue? I say, no problem. Let my people live. Forget the economy. We will bounce back later. A decision taken in cabinet. How do you blame one person? Why? Why? It not make us say, he has a tolerance level. The tolerance level is incredible. It's, you know, Omanhene, Ubusaya, there's a few things. I mean, you say, many hours or they can come back home. And then subsequently, no, we can continue. There's a video, but as you were talking now, the video came to it. Say, if the PSI ideas were accepted by the head of economic management team and these people are anchor. Nyali amube de mube call IMF because the PSI ideas are on the bar board. No, it was not taken. These were boardroom issues. We are now bringing it out so for everybody to know. Can you play the video?
President Kufuor Abraso, I was one of the senior ministers in Kufuor's government. Yes, I'm a debate. Ghana for Kamuti Masama, and Ghana, Yanko IMF. No man may cast say, no. Yeah. And I am Yanko Trepia, and Ghana, Napega.
It's a métier, Mr. Chairman, honorable. Or say PSI Kufuor time. Or say Ghana for Mutie.
So why are they attributed it to a jabbing of?
It's, you know, this has nothing to
do with
a direct
to but it has been being
and I make us say communicators
turned as if say or jabbe. Because small kind, no. If you listen to
him,
or say
it has nothing to do with Baumia.
Kufuor time near more the bias a Ghana 14, which means if it has been consistent through,
fantastic.
So it has nothing to do with
nothing to do with Dr. Baumia.
This time, say be on company.
Yes. We was a friendly this you was a my twisty assembly to I said yeah I learned about me problem.
Ewo banter. Maybe I was see out just can rob bank one was swa. current account, savings account, fixed deposit, and susu account. No, say uba ya honoma obedi adanse say ye banka ye di mu pa. Ye te mofra se eti se abofra sie sika. Dachi obeye sikani emo no ane dachi kra koye ma le suku sem ene abrabo obebo ntino ye wo infant minor savings account. And no no we a government worker. Open salary loan and salary advance. Susu loans wo ho ema monso na auto susu na. Ye kabo home prensan ye dia bobesia. How ne aman ye bi anim commercial loans ahodo. Eya befie wo hia bosia. Afei makamo abom nipa mienu miensa. No guarantor, no collateral. What the answer so do any better to second bank? Your Western Union, E-Switch, mobile money transfer, say Ghana Pay, MTM Omunina, you do who Juma ho. Otia Sekai, main quarters, Ewa Kufiasi. Mampo Edra, Sepabo Chroma before, who do Melcroa. Yene Historic Adventist Hospital, did you anymore? You want King Council, you was Swami Market, Traya. Dr. Mensa Solansa Chemist, Ubehuye. Freya 0504 842 957 0504 842 957 3A Herbal Center. The 3A Co capsules, the Cocoa Master. Unya Coco Nubi. Nasa Hochre now chow who in cha. But modern so benya 3A. 3A Co capsules from 3A Herbal Center. No. Waste space away. Piles not asiase and council so and no aso e ma wo yam enye barrier to say when ya koku na wo yam say time urade asambeni fra 0546 107 107 0546 107 107 Kennedy digital satellite 70 inches television akoprim 65 satellite smart and curve Oha na akwaju TV. Your tabletop fridges are double doors 90 to 500 liters. Chest freezers 100 to 900 liters are. Ye bi any baku mienu miensa. Audi di juma. Air conditioners 1.5, 2.0, 2.5 horsepower. Your powerful home theaters are hold fufu pounding machine. The wow you so fear. Any the air commercial the yam fufu juicy car. Sewing machine your home. Any industrial user. Nini na wa no more. Samsung your popcorn machine, a be electric, a be a gas, laptop, dual core, i3, i5, i7, touch screen. When you know, one pair, Wedger, Old Barrier and Crying, Okrobite Junction, traffic lights, Nasia 0244 385136 0244 385136. Ube PM Kumasia, Family Plaza, first floor, Boss FM on Cheho, Atom House, Ewo Patasi, Kennedy Junction 0244 385128. Dimpa Natural Health. A stomach ulcer last stopper. Peptic, gastric, duodenal, GERD, acid reflux, H. pylori. Edin the dead when you also dio. The dead also nekun. Then so Dimpa Natural Health say a last stop on the hall. Mu ear we ya, what chili jow, what bush show, when it's so brew, what I will not. One man have said bibi soundrim when you ulcer symptoms ka how to be kako Dimpa Natural Health. Yeah, the local and foreign natural herbal product be count. The bomodna eyi e free mobile detoxin. Afei yama we drone de kawa obeda papa. For 0245 118 434 0245 118 434 and 0246 744 744 0246 744 744. Second floor, Wallace Towers, the so Ufi Airport Runabout to come in Siano. Kane Mensa Health Insurance Dynamo. Treaty of Arc Limited Company. Yeah, the health workers, lab technicians, midwife, nurses, A2 crime, Canada and UK na apesa oko. Obeso call Canada and America, Europe. Koye diploma, masters or PhD, student visa or we a footballer, open sports visa, ye be pow. Omo Romania, no omukodu ye omo bomb sem say omanya factory worker ye or supermarket or ye caregiver or ye mechanic or ye plumber or koye no or ye warehouse worker, drivers, cleaners. Obeso okobi account for any say adwa to masalachi abrepo junction. For 0531 644217 0531 644217 and 020 557 2076 020 557 2076 na bibia ede akoso Leicester Ghana Limited Yaz washing powder. Yaz washing powder. So pese wo si niema detergent papa empa tade na nimpa nanso be si ni wonse kama de amawa. Yaz washing powder. You 200 grams akopim 5 kg. What the old diane say ubenya yaz. It takes good care of your skin. Bounce home popo, bounce home chicha. Now free no mu fear. When you paste papa de be chi wo se a person no de herba whitening paste yaza. A face salad to pass a man cause you have some mamu de ni bi. One me catch or say or more heavy flow, or more light flow, more normal flow. Who here drive a pad papa and one yas sanitary pad. Purple extra long waist, minty extra longer, minty normal, minty heavy. Ni nyina ho toothbrushes, Duke, Duchess, Princess ni Monarch. What him say? Would you choose you see a sing kama a kokama? Ya what the annual din Bristol's annual din ya what the normal and ya what the that and temu so your conflicts here frosty, crunchy and crunchy. What the an say? What do I need ever edum or 2 to nincha or phrase 0501 390-337 0501 390-337 and 0501 390-338. Awal, mamimra on chain na mintiu. Dr. Mahmoud Baumia, I wouldn't in our Sompa. A year do maybe I'll be us. So a cremoni, so to say, na cremoni be dear crown here, na a coffin samaba, a cremoni be any idea. Those things, how does he take it?
You mean that's it, Maminchia. Yeah, chef one year for you. Na minstress, menya cold kakra.
No problem.
My voice no I touch na my chair minu honorable. Many she said say so that. Many aji pass
over your yes. I think why he speaks well. Let me be frank.
Yes, or Kasa, you know, I took you from even a personal experience. Make I say will be a framing. Okay, FM invite here say yembe debate Baumia nina kika. So they called me as a Baumia rep. Hope sana doye buy as your friend saying Alan Chiramanten rep nina kika. In the course of the conversation, I had to even tune off. Now because now online it's me free. So because I didn't want to get to a stage meet me attack MPP ni and I say akabibi etia penibi. So I decided not to do it. Okay, I said about 3 weeks ago, FDA also on a Saturday morning, bright Ephraim me say me bayana me kase me serena. There are people who do that to be there. Yembra general discussion. Say be a Monday morning, I'm about for general discussion. I came here for the first time on that Monday. Yeah. But Saturday no frame me kase debi. Baby I could drew no. So obi ba na okasa na obwa na ochre de obetimi aya abwa delegates because this is a delegates elections.
That's right.
Delegates na ye shia omo. How many times no who ba me video about bonten say or ye campaigner or catch wrong say it is not meant for the media. The person media let's no. The be but the person delegates in because you will have to convince the delegates ama who say ampa wona obetimi aye ehonso kasa twitwe bi eni ho because nipa ni wia obehia ne kese pa achen wo kra because so we ni wia you need him because you need to get some cohesion asa na motimi win elections no and they're very important it the okan you know it's an experience that I even felt to the extent that me can say from that day min koye sabium min obia independent so say obi oko efidie skra na be can say oh alanchraman say I don't want to even respond to it because the moment you respond to it on share na obedru bebe na untimi and defending obium and say obana or electing obi bia ye elect bia no is very much qualified say obetimi abiti mahama and also obetimi ADNDC SCNE. Just before I say about a question so when say political parties act no HRS political party only one function and sponsoring people for elections. You have different functions are more one of the functions is in a training. And you say you serve as a training grounds for a future leaders in the kick-out. And on the MPPI over time. It be you know say nipa 10 and a peke form no NDC and nipa miensa no kra no omo bo ba ko mfima ni free mo. This is a former governor of a Bank of Ghana under the NDC omo born in mfima ni free mo because they didn't really train anyone to take over. So I say aye den e de amamo. So ye de no training is very important. Dr. Baomi also share a Delhi Guide. So share a headline of Delhi Guide. We see Abana Kufo FI no and ananado edi insuo gu so a abeye ono Baomia away. Because looking at where he is, where he comes from.
He only has godfathers.
Yes. Onunkwa betimi aka the so-called, because here they believe say faction be him. The so-called faction no on the betimi aka bom because Kofo na discover. Kofo Efa in 2001. Ye ko Hepik. Kofo Kasebra. He was the your friend saying chairman of sa committee na ekoye negotiation for Hepik. Omo sa negotiation wie no. And a President Kofo Kase Debi. Akwa we nim dia won ho esopa. So we are the co-chair of a economic policy coordinating council. One a doctor, the late Dr. Kusote or say and a this economic management team we are. Then after that, and I can say on year 8 to Governor Polakwa. Or year 8 for like 4 years. And son, or year a Juma within the banking sector, and as a Bank of Ghana to the extent that it drew a 2006 year in the deputy governor. And President Akufo-Addo Ebefan. So Osha ya nature over time. The party has really groomed him over time. Between 2008 and today, only Obia were part and parcel of the MPP National Council. As far as in Obi Anywana was I experiencing from 2008 up to a decision be a MPP National Council take He's a member of the National Council from 2008 up to today. He has been a member of the National Council from 2008 up to today. It is decision be a no count. So be a grumuno over time like this. Na oba contest here. I think say Oma Moka said the Bain or buy and keka hono have not really checked for over 20 years experience, and you're within the political party. About 2008, you saw him. In 2012, you saw the improvement. Senator Honorable Kain. In 2013, or call Supreme Court to buy, would the BB for by BB strong could be by to the extent that it has never happened up to now. Ukraine see that. So Vice President Ney dictated the pace of the discussion in the country. Between 2013 and 2016, Dr. Tony Edu can say the NDC did not get a single person to tame Baumia in the elections. We have the video. Dr. Tenedu was see the NTA because between 2015-2016 lectures now acquire no demand. He dictated the pace for the discussion in this country. Obaye Ejuma Waye Nenekeka to the extent that Dr. Vladimir Njudanso I can say he's the most technocratic vice president Ghana ever had. Yeah, Ghana vice president Odinu who share mumum. Wo Yejumano and see that. You cry sometimes you refuse say I'm Mr. No be vice president of Ghana. We even forget. So Obisa no ba I think say or the best person obitimi aboy na at this crucial moment I could break 8 no because I per se break 8. So per se break 8 cycle no there definitely is the best person. Whether he's a Muslim cry na advantage over a former President Mahama because we Omo NDC for no Oma Emo Dewi. So yenim who is a year their flag bearer, or a northerner, or a northern Christian. Ye chusu a northern Muslim. There is an advantage to picking Dr. Baomia. Because ene oba a south ha, especially as antimum. Ye yinu ria obi abeto party lines. But he appeals to northern Muslims and even the northerners themselves. It is only Dr. Only a former President Mahama Ejina and Seneni Sesia. No mu be a campaigner. We a northerner. We su a northerner. A set me boa. We a northern Christian. We su a northern Muslim. We running mates a southern Christian. MPP or your friends your tradition I or hodada from Adubuahi ye the lawyer Ara Lasan and a buy in 1996 the Ntiama young for northern Muslim Amba and he said there was a marriage of convenience not rolling Sapama car as sitting vice president. So definitely that time you feel say yeah, the sitting vice president President Kufuor running mate, it will be easier for us to win the elections. And to me win is a northern Muslim. And this is a northern Muslim. Then you have a southern Christian.
Okay.
So you have the Muslim Christian ticket. Tembia MPP idea. But this time around the Muslim is leading. But you have your friends say, so Uko Zongwa, it is easy to market. Zongo Emma NDC not less than 2 million votes in any elections. I mean, who won Hohoi because of Zongo? He went to Zongo, told them, say, Muntuma, Messi Palace. Messi Ohenene Palace, Zongo Hene Palace. Miana Beye Mukwaita Manami MC and a year Kufuor. Nansen Suma Beye Asfata Mamo. Mutuma Mahama Krana Mutumamia. Go and see what happened. They voted massively for him. They voted for their Mahama and voted for him and won. Because even in the Volta region, the stronghold of the NDC is Zongo. Because Omono Mutu one way. So now, when you check and you have a northern Muslim, because Zongos are predominantly Muslims, they're 90% Muslims. When you have a northern Muslim joining, Abako Semchira say, Liman, now he was a known person in this country. He came 3 months to elections. But Liman, because of the name Liman, the Zongo people felt that we were Muslim like them. So they voted for him. He was a Catholic. But because of the name Liman, they voted for him. So a advantage Edimayeng. Because you have a northern Christian coming against northern Christian who is even a former
probably from Ashanti region as a running mate.
That's a certainty. If that's almost a certainty. So unya and your friend say a Christian a Southerner. Now unya a northern Muslim leader. There is the highest possibility that will advantage a change your friend saying former President. Even today, Uko northern region and Dr. Baumia free bayana. He's from the northern region, not the 5 northern regions. But including myself, your issues when you say 5 northern regions, even though it's in the north, but you don't say the other your friends say southern regions now Okan because Okan Shanti now Okan Shanti, Okan East now Okan East. But now northern region, which has now been split to Savannah, Northeast, and northern region. Sa northern region, Dr. Baumia ye chusu no nani kurumu wale. It has been an NDC seat throughout. You choose from 208 and a seat in the a seat.
Sompa FM.
Anna, a Juma was here because now only 4 out of 31 constituencies. Tama you choose now 4 out of 31 constituencies. And then there was 17. NDC was 16. The northern regional Dr. Baumia free no. NDC was 16. You beat them with 1 vote. One your friend saying seats.
From 4 to 17.
From 4 to 17. It will electing we are. It tells you, this is what he's been able to do. It is a old electina. I am assuring you that the 57 constituencies or the 5 northern regions, there is the highest possibility of beating match. A chance to beat my boy. Seats are yetimi born what in edgy in 2020 Ekahona, you 117 meal. And your seat are NDC there, NG da. It's part of ASITA, ye Gia, a Kahwa, ye de Eboa, your friend saying, Oko, a Upper East, one of the seats, Binduri, a NDC throughout, and also Yaba, Damango. So it tells you that indeed, say, we, Dr. Baumia, there is the highest possibility you get the northern votes because there will be a split there. There is the highest possibility, Zongo na, I hear almost one way, no. You have someone who speaks their language.
We are told 2020, the only Zongo community was Pechi.
Yes. The reason is that in 2016, strategy I do around 2016 elections was different from the 2020 elections. It's one of the reasons. I give myself upset. Me contested for national Nasara coordinator because we departed from that campaign. In 2016, we had the Zongo Development Fund. Say, yeah, the Bembra Zongo. Zongo for G2, we had 24% of Zongo votes. In 2020, we had projects, but we couldn't sell them. Oko Pechi Zongo. The entire man we need and they say, yes, 6 units classroom block amount with the Zongo Development Fund. Oko Hayo, with the Zongo Development Fund, yes, 6 units classroom block. Ultra more than 9 year apata. And you could see a mamo, with the Zongo Development Fund. So the people there were able to tell them what we were able to do, but we couldn't really tell our story, which I think say we Dr. Bawumia Firi Oba, there is the highest possibility because on a vision, and there is a vision for the Zongos, we'll be able to get them and they will vote for us.
What about those who say Christians are about 70%, no one told a Muslim?
Dr. Bawumia Obi Akrano Nkrofo friend a hybrid. Sana nipa bebre e friend. Look at the testimonies. Me who kramon penifo kra e ma these testimonies are. Em penifo a mo ye asofo penifo okro yim. E ka about Dr. Bawumia. That is someone who will bring us together. Again, Ghana crying yet to say Nigeria. I have some family members in Nigeria. So friend now catch us me wadan for assume see how I cry hona meda. They are shocked. Say how? Because you know we grew up together. Ghana ha Christian Muslim and to nim. There is no really a friend's attention nim. Menti baby ada. Ya wo metete me if justice zongo. Me ko Adventist Preparatory School. Ewo ho throughout. Me meti ha my wife cry here. Your friend say I can. My wife, I can. Eti me man o me akan for. One free your friend say jukwa. Baby and my wife e free no. Oh yeah, complete I can. So say your friend say anka tension wo ho me gini say committee ba worry and I can. Eti me ba no say okojina ba bi na okase. Albani ko kasa me asantinia, me dinchirania. One bit me ejina chine because his mother is dinchira.
Okay.
My son, the direct son. So there is no tension. Baby any ho obi aka say religion a consider at the mo obi e wo man yimu. But no crown ebe advantage am I say na be at least e betimi average. Again, a northern Christian ticket. Sana MPP are in over time. MPP feel say Ghana is a secular state. As a secular state, you know, so who choose a friend say presidential candidate any running matter. It was say the dominant religion, no. Take your friend say advantage of it. Say bear Obian feel say we are not left out. And you start
from your end. He represents the minority.
Exactly. From 1992 up to Eneno. Yafa a northern Christian, Muslim Christian, Muslim
Muslim.
Problem be anti-Myanmar. So why is it that today
it's going to be Muslim Christian? Yeah.
Problem, Baba. Bibi Emma.
Baba Honomo. Amuzu Herbal Clinic. Weak erection. Yawe Bema Nessa Umwa Juma, Masa Hanipao. Kosros baby, I won't pass. Miawani. Nejina so. Now, Dr. Amuzu, know why a herbal gynecologist. So, CCO, yeah. That man so CCA in an Dibuadi. Some kind of one the crow. But told to me, Bunny, na a kind of come be no about him. Many are brave. I call his mess row. Only about time, fear bear me and son 9. I wore Maudi Ashano, who low sperm count, corner cover. I feel so bear man will form is shot. Oye hu adwuma oni oba da ho bia ya bibia ge ya ukọ ho a 2 minutes video bia me he akwa bi ne girl odimika ko fa girl yi girl di indomie asiso to nim say indomie ni kura be hye oba ya indomie ne mene indomie so 3 minutes ni 4 minutes e was ebene na just say ka choche ya nka say afọ bedu on ma o ka just say Indomie no man, that was 2 minutes. No, and I'm an Indomie never here. I quite like to me. Don't be an Indomie man. You need strength. Now you're too many. Dr. Musu, our club 600. Tafo, more marketing chewa. Oba boa mo jina pinti. Say a stroke, pile, stomach or saniade. Pomodina for any chill. And crying, Achimota. Christian Village, any Puma filling station in Renimu, Sunyani area 3 0247 776743 0247 776743 Mauji Hiochalo, Dr. Amuzunono, your destination travel services, open visa, and now open consultation on business visa. Abusiano 2 kind one person call as a tourist or visitor. You be hotel bookings amount. Ya confirm your air ticket. Baby, I'll bet now. Baby, I'll bet Danny. Yeah, you know, I bet wow. I feel person too. Quite on Nico Siandi as an undergrad, as postgraduate or diploma. You're my student visa. Over Canada, USA with work permit. 10 years multiple visa for business. And your business time, do a fin visa. All the time for our passport, airport. Your first said you may be about. Now, Dimike call. Your destination travel service and work with us at ease at USA, Canada, Europe, Asia, and Australia. Qatar ni Dubai there business no eye koko kra and na take na be so ko fa niema ka ho brey 0257 298084 0257 298084 and 02067 48767 02067487767 Samenx Aba Clinic no mo de aduro bia ba mema nyina giwie no oba adwuma wi na ma na baje so again e ma no so corner so omo libido wo form ne kanja omo so age so again Samen's Vital Herbal Mixture ya again unya bibuba wa be di adanse so akwanim na ya se ye oba hono ma Seba Nutritional Council ye do be fem food supplement a wo hia ultrasound scan laboratory diagnostic papa bi urine retention odun so maye o pressure was so moja broso esichire yare ni nyina da fakoda Samen's Herbal Clinic na oba ye beboa we are experts in gonorrhea syphilis chlamydia hepatitis male sexual weakness so ye di ho dwuma pusu ahoma e wa sokori mampo ura bank any di twani mu pe wa sokori mampo 0240616061 0240 61 6061 and 0279 356570 0279 356570 ye Joe Apple Electricals na makopie Joe Apple Electricals na makoto wire papa bi 2.5 now they are connecting me air conditioner so a heat here. The sun say a heat resistant wire. Ghana Standard Authority say ya jiatum ya ma free delivery services nti say o ba beton dodua ya wokai de ba ko jawo. We electrician wutie ma no pay. Person you be adwuma ma edam ne kekawo na hotia brie no eye Joe Apple Electrical Enterprise edum a Japan house yani MTN PZ branch ni di hwe ni mu ana RCC taxi station udu ha wo say electricity no get lego na Joe Apple Electrical cable we dey carry am bomodana na kode 1.5 to 60 milliliter copper e be bo adwuma amawo frey 0246 90 5898 0246 90 5898 0543 934550 0543 934550 Collins remember on check now we say about Muslim is
advert here we say when you Joe advert here
hey I don't know if I'm go said I be carry na e dey
do libido ni I said they carry na when you
sawara you go school you got biology do so na e dey DJ because I be connect chere plant no be edwa if it's a sexual reproductive system oh you nyina ya adwene there but with your college
you know me tell me wow now this topic of religion very tricky religion, tribe, ethnicity, very, very tricky. You know, I try as much.
Is it also a fact that
maybe
in our trend we vote there?
I'm saying, it's very tricky. It's
one handle in
a year.
Okay,
you can have a lot of problems because a topic are very emotional.
Religion is something.
Yes, it's natural that you feel. Now I'm very careful because of my upbringing, and I've told you my story. Me mama, papa, omni asantifo. But me mama and me papa, omujaye na me di just a year and a half. See, My mother married another man, or a Voltarian. And truth is, I wish my stepfather was my father.
You say it any day.
Any day. He's from the Volta region.
Stepfather.
My stepfather.
And you are who you are today.
I'm saying, say,
because of him.
I am a classic example of the beauty of our diversity. Yes. My wife is from KJB. My best friend is from Bole. Miko University. The first person who gave me a place to sleep, Randy Oblite, he's a guy. He's still my friend. So, MP because me Asantini. I am a classic example of the beauty of our diversity.
Okay.
It's a Miko baby na Obi started in about me not now. And you've missed the point.
Yeah.
It is completely needless for you to even start the conversation on the basis about me Muslim.
And now free her.
So what? So what? Say MPP. You feel say a Muslim cannot lead us. What is the essence of our Nasara ring?
Okay.
Yeah.
There's a whole
have a whole ring.
Which is Nasara.
Or National Council.
I said I and I said for Muslim.
Every constituency has a Nasara coordinator.
Yeah.
Okay.
So is it what?
Okay.
So if Dr. Baumia cannot be our candidate just because you're Muslim, what is the essence of the party? Council is crying.
But you recognize
and I'm saying it is don't start the conversation like that.
Okay.
You don't win any votes by saying that Dr. Baumia is a Muslim of the Northern region. And so what? And today, then I don't qualify to be an MP. My wife is from KJB. My stepdad is from Bakbo. My best friend is from Bole, Kafao Mahama. My very good friend Randy Oblite.
He's a guy.
He's a guy. That conversation should not start. Where from this? Where a Muslim? Where a Christian? Where a guy? Where a tree? And so what? And so what? Osaji for Dr. Kwame Manovi. It's not the person who declared us independent. We are all independent because of him. He played a key role. Of course, others supported. But he's a figurehead. It I'm saying, say, who we vote for, the better man as our candidate, no? That kind of argument, say, we're free here, and we say, Obit Michel. Collins. No, sorry, Santini. And I was supposed Dr. Baumia. I said, are you serious? Okay. Asantifone woman, when I'm into show me, tell me who I should vote for. If I'm voting on the basis of, say, Nia Santinia, show me which of them I should vote for. Come the point, Ashanti. Akoto is Ashanti. Akoto cry the Opa Santinia.
Typical.
No.
Yeah.
Kofi Credo April.
Yes.
Yeah.
So who are you campaigning to? So who are you campaigning to, Mr. Bentomano? So Oya Santini, Mia Santini, to me comment to my Santini, no problem. Show me which of the Ashantis in the list I should vote for.
Naminya Bako.
That cannot be the basis. And it should not be the basis. It's about the competence of the person. And I'm betting I'm say, Obika to say, Alan Chemantin, only positive. You'll be joking.
Yeah.
Excellent man, by all standards. Abonibra, assume the party.
But for you, this moment.
Abonibra, assume the party.
For you, this moment.
That's the point I'm making. Said the argument should never be. Say, Oya Santiniti Yantumano. It should be said, this is Alan Chemantin. He was a member of the Young Executive Forum. He was, in fact, a chairperson. Right from 92, 93. Obeya ambassador to the US. He served as a trade minister under Kufuor. Under this government, he has served. He nearly became the World Trade Organization. He's not just an ordinary Ghanaian. These are positive I can hold on. Don't tell me Sementoman because I have something.
Okay.
That is weak. That is weak. Because there are so many positives. Dr. Koto, take it or leave it. Go to a Greek ministry and see what he has done there.
Yeah.
I am doing this because we have to campaign for one particular winner.
for you, your choices, Baumia.
And so the point is, some okacha me say, mentuma Alan, because you are sentient. Near to bury Alan Winia. How are we going to campaign then off?
So, okay.
What will be a campaign message?
Because we are Santini.
In the economy of
England for Fonson to my
you call water area. You call Grant.
Okay.
It is not possible. You cannot win just because you are Ashanti. We are a big force, no doubt about it. But enough shouldn't be our trump card. It's the competence of the person. The competence of the person. Me no kasi, Dr. Baumia, me constituency. A few years ago, na obefaka fit trim Chichweri 5 CDs to go to Offenso just to renew your NHIA card. Card no so go renew 10 CDs oh. But you spend 10 CDs in and out transport just to renew card for 10 CDs.
And spend 5 hours.
A gentleman comes. Within a space of 2 years, he brings a system. I'm able to sit in my house. No matter electricity. No matter NHI. I do everything just on the phone.
Interoperability.
That is a strength. It's me by me argue. I'm not saying it's a vote for Baumia because I'm a Muslim. That is not it. Mr. Too money because this is what he has done. The convenience he has given to you. That is my argument. It's me can't be because I'm a Muslim. It's the end. Or a Muslim don't know. And as I'm saying, I'm so if you go to the north, and I'm saying this no to both candidates, their supporters, because my videos are some supporters of Nyame candidates in the north making comments say, yeah, DNA. Who DNA are taking and see whether you can win the election. So the argument shouldn't be say, yeah, DNA.
So you, if anybody even supports the vice president, you don't want that.
That shouldn't be the argument.
Because okay, we'll see who DNA
okay, fun way.
Okay.
So who fun one? So obey president.
Sompa FM.
But our new baby will be better than his tribe, better than his religion.
Okay.
It means as I said, maybe a classic example of the beauty of our diversity. Argument about way free. I am for Dr. Mahmoud Baumia.
I say vote a horn, so vote a man on your bad. So now, what was the way something is knocking something. All right, maybe your birthday sleeping. All right, finally. Mami fa we ntwam say Tony Sack Electronics and the soya sne Emma ye de birthdays ne ebremo. Obi di na woda e wo say Omanhene Yaw na nanika na we celebrate such a person because and that's adano anto obi. And to say to obi a na watimi ayede wahwama eno nti na Tony Sack adwene ho se da bi meso masene na mode nkrofo awoda aba na meka we no ye bie ye new place kra e wo sunyane Cocoa Board runabout a ene oi terminal no baby e fa bus no edi hwe ni mu eti wa ha wutie mi osunyan no frɛ number we na kokɔhwɛ property electronics wo sunyan no 0273 260606 0273 260606 na bibia anya dai enkoso kama oba kumase a ezikaram kwantimpo mo pɛ ene wo na ubebo ra ho no ma bibia eye air conditioner air wifi esaso ye inverter saso ene wo chest freezers deep freezers ye wo nia ye friend of microwave oven ene ye wo washing machine a eksim ne mani mu ama come and two page na akohata so ko here property products are enka Diana Hamilton enyi ntum sa nye brand ambassador wonim so no or your quality no your class ono na brand ambassador for property products bibi bia ye electronic wo fie de eno ano iron kettle blender bibia press 0500 309 309 0500 309 309 yen sure awoda no happiest birthday to Mrs. Grace Opoku Champon ne ɛyɛ wawoda wei yɛ ukunu Mr. George Opoko Champon ɔsɛ me nka nkyerɛ sɛ I love you so much Obema Kasa, I love you so much. I just say, Edi Mupa. Blessed birthday to Daniel Usu Ansa Jr. 6 years. Yeah, they are afraid to Dr. Usu Ansa University. And the godson, or Boakye. Nani Benewa Champion of St. Louis Senior High School. From your father, Nanaya Boama. You. Lawyer Stephen Etiwa. And there you are, from your wife and children. Happy birthday to Madam Rose Barton of Efijasi Government Hospital. Your son Anna Santi of Efijasi. Mrs. Lucy Pipra of Efijasi Asokori. Ukunu Nana Usu Samuel. Adorable wife, Mrs. Erica Assam. Glorious birthday. Ukunu Mr. Samuel Koku Assam. Revenue Officer KMA. Afei Benedicta Adjoa Nana. Regional Accountant of Youth Employment Agency. Hey, where do you know? From Gofia Boaji Junior Otafu Municipal. Cyril Osei Jemfia Pia. Your mom and dad, Agi and David of Boakye. Your Mautinkwa, David Kwabena Ponsa Apia. From your mom and dad, Agi and David of Boakye. Page Inshra Edusei Frimpong. From your mom and dad, beautiful girl. And to my lovely wife, Mrs. Bernice Boedi. From Mr. Boedi. Kendrick Nana Kwesi Ba Echamfo Umame Enedi Weba and a Showboy. Happy birthday to Showboy from V. Michaela Nana Kwefia Mwako. Oh, Sisi of Revival Life Outreach Minister Sisi. And ne Michaela birthday. Mrs. Georgina Atakra. Today is your birthday. And then from your husband Bismarck. What? Entry, SWAT unit. Abigail Kosia Fossa. Today is your birthday. From DJ Systematic of Sompa TV. Oh, my lovely wife, Christiana Takra of Onyi Government Hospital, from your husband, Japheth. And then Jaden Kodja Takra, Mary School Trader, from mom and dad. Lillian Ewansia. And there you are. Yes, then Otinel Kekeli Azuma. Mr. Kafu Azuma and Akosia Giabo Diamond of Salt FM. Otiami Nimo. Hey, Sompa Newsroom. Chame. Jidis on where pa. Awa. Hey, what can you want to say? I remember Naso.
Yes, and unum say me constituencies ye me no Ashanti region ha. Me two about wasawasi me delegates.
Okay, but me fa boy be joy. Hey. Resuna Mother's Primary Cape Coast from your mom Matthew Bijoy and then I would akrano yanya won't go school. It's happy birthday to you Bijoy. Okay,
it's Dr. Bamia Central Franklins and Kumawu and Efijasi ni Dwabin
and all four places,
4 constituencies in the area. You be share Roman Catholic.
Oh, let's be there. Oh, let's be there. Mon can channel coachan. Why? 19th, yeah. Oh, yeah, let's be here.
And as next week,
now I'm assuming what you be why.
Mostly,
and I'm going so much.
Oh, very important.
I was say full time here